Hello everybody. This is the car a man bought from myself. The damage is not bad. He bought the parts he needed and brought the car to me. So, I've got the car in the shop. The owner has installed all the intact parts on the car. So, the major damage is here. Well, I'm gonna start the repairs. I'll take it apart first. So, the front is disassembled. I'm taking my first measurements. The distances are all different, but the right side is damaged a little bit. I'll fix the right side first, and then use the dimensions of the right side to fix the left side. Let's start. The right side is done. Now the left side. That's great. The metal work is done. Installing the front end parts. My work with this car is done. And lastly, a photo after the paint job.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing.
That's all for this time. Subscribe for new videos. See you later.